My brothers and sisters, remember this: the body heals when you give it what nature intended. Disease cannot exist in an alkaline, clean environment. What you are about to discover today is a powerful drink that supports your arteries, your heart, and your longevity. Use it wisely. Use it daily and allow nature to restore your life.
Heart disease silently kills one person every 33 seconds in the United States. Many seniors feel perfectly fine until a sudden heart attack or stroke strikes without a single warning. But what if protecting your arteries wasn't complicated at all? What if just one simple cup each day could help melt away plaque, improve blood flow, and give your heart a second chance, naturally? Today, we reveal a remarkable drink inspired by Japan's legendary Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, the doctor who lived to 105 years old and kept his arteries strong even in old age. Doctors rarely talk about this secret, maybe because it's too simple, too affordable, and too effective. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it, how it works, and how it could save your life, starting today. Let's get straight to the point. The powerful one-cup drink we are talking about today is a simple combination of lemon, garlic, ginger, and honey used for decades in Japan to support clean arteries and healthy blood flow. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara believed that health doesn't always come from complex medicines. Sometimes the most powerful solutions come from nature itself, and this drink proves exactly that. Each ingredient plays a specific role in removing plaque, reducing cholesterol, and protecting your heart from sudden failure. And the best part? You likely already have all 4 ingredients in your kitchen right now. Let's begin with the first hero ingredient: garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is known for dissolving fat deposits that stick to artery walls. This helps reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol that forms dangerous clogs known as plaque. When plaque becomes thick, your blood cannot flow properly, forcing your heart to work harder. Over time, this leads to high blood pressure, shortness of breath, fatigue, and eventually heart failure. Garlic acts almost like a natural plaque remover, clearing the pathways so oxygen-rich blood can reach every part of your body. People who consume garlic daily often have more flexible arteries and lower risk of heart attacks. Dr. Hinohara himself included garlic regularly in his heart protection habits. The second powerful ingredient is lemon. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which prevent LDL oxidation, a key cause of artery hardening. When LDL oxidizes, it becomes sticky and forms blocks that are extremely dangerous. Lemon also helps flush out calcium deposits that lead to artery stiffness, a condition known as arteriosclerosis, which is very common in seniors. This stiffness is why many older people feel pain in their legs while walking. Blocked blood flow is reducing strength and energy. Lemon helps your arteries stay smooth, flexible, and young, just like Dr. Hinohara advocated. We age because our blood vessels age. Keeping blood vessels young is the real key to longevity. Not just living longer, but living stronger. Now let's talk about ginger. Ginger improves circulation and reduces inflammation inside the arteries. You know, many heart problems actually start with these tiny inflammations that go completely unnoticed until, well, something big happens, like a stroke. Ginger, interestingly, breaks down fat inside the blood so it doesn't accumulate into those dangerous clots. Plus, it helps thin the blood just a little bit in a natural way, not like those chemical blood thinners that can sometimes cause heavy bleeding. Seniors, in particular, really benefit from ginger because it improves the oxygen supply to both the brain and the heart, keeping both organs active and healthy. Dr. Hinohara emphasized that movement and circulation are really the foundation of a long life, and ginger supports exactly that. And finally, honey. Honey is so much more than just a sweetener. It actually contains antioxidants that help repair artery damage. When plaque scratches the inner lining, the artery becomes weaker and inflamed. Honey soothes and heals these delicate tissues. It also fuels your body with natural energy, so your heart can pump strongly without strain. Honey makes the entire drink easier to consume, especially for seniors who may not enjoy the strong taste of raw garlic and lemon. When all four ingredients come together, something truly remarkable happens. This drink removes plaque buildup, reduces harmful cholesterol, lowers high blood pressure, improves circulation to the heart, brain, and legs, strengthens artery walls and keeps them flexible, and helps prevent blood clots that trigger sudden strokes. And the best part, it works even in your 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. Arteries can heal at any age when you give your body the right tools. Now, let me show you how Dr. Hinohara's inspired heart drink is made and taken. Alright, so here are the ingredients you'll need. You'll want 1 large garlic bulb, which is about 8 to 10 cloves. Then grab 1 big piece of ginger, around 3 to 4 inches long. Next, you'll need 3 medium lemons. Add in 1 tablespoon of pure honey. And finally, 4 cups of water. Now, let's talk about how to prepare this. First, peel the garlic and ginger, and then slice them into small pieces. After that, cut the lemons into halves, remove the seeds, but, keep the peel on for maximum benefit. Next, blend the garlic, ginger, and lemon together with water until everything's nice and smooth. Pour this mixture into a pot and heat it gently, but don't boil it heavily or the nutrients could be lost. After about 10 minutes, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Once it's cooled, strain the liquid and then add the honey to it. This way, you preserve its healing properties. Finally, store your drink in a glass bottle in the refrigerator. So, here's how you drink it. Take 1 small cup, that's about 100 to 120 milliliters, every morning on an empty stomach. Do this for 3 weeks, then take a 1-week break and repeat the cycle if you feel it's needed. It's that simple, no complicated medicines, no expensive surgeries, just a routine that empowers your heart every single morning. But here's the most important thing. Don't just watch and forget. Take action. Many seniors ignore subtle signs of clogged arteries, thinking they are just normal aging. But blocked arteries do not come overnight. They build slowly, and they show signs long before disaster strikes. Now, you understand how powerful this natural drink is, but there's a bigger question everyone is thinking. If this drink can really help clear arteries and protect the heart, why don't doctors talk about it? The truth is complicated. In many healthcare systems, there is a stronger focus on treating disease rather than preventing it. Medications like statins, blood thinners, and blood pressure pills are part of a system that generates billions of dollars every single year. Natural remedies, especially ones that cost almost nothing and can improve heart health at home, don't benefit that system. So most people are never told about them. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara understood this deeply. He believed in empowering the patient, making people responsible for their own health through simple daily habits. Instead, he taught habits that keep the heart alive and strong regardless of age. That's why he lived to 105, not in a hospital bed, but actively working and walking until the end. So let's learn from his wisdom. Dr. Hinohara practiced 3 core habits to protect his arteries, keeping the blood vessels flexible, keeping the body moving, and keeping stress low. First, flexibility of arteries is the foundation of a long life. When arteries become stiff, every heartbeat becomes a struggle. He emphasized natural foods rich in antioxidants like garlic, lemons, leafy greens, and sea vegetables to prevent the damage that stiffens blood vessels. Second, he never relied on a sedentary lifestyle. Even at 100 years old, he climbed stairs daily and kept his legs strong. His famous words were, "To stay healthy, always use your legs. When your legs are active, your arteries remain open." Lastly, he believed stress was poison for the heart. When we live in fear, anger, or frustration, the arteries tighten and blood pressure shoots up. Deep breathing, laughter, and staying connected with loved ones, all simple, natural stress relievers, help the blood flow freely. In this video, we're focusing on a drink that supports his philosophy perfectly, but remember, one drink alone cannot save you if the rest of your lifestyle destroys your arteries. So here are 3 warnings seniors must follow. Avoid trans fats like fried foods and margarine. Avoid excessive sugar since it inflames arteries and thickens the blood. And avoid smoking at all costs. It is the fastest way to destroy your arteries. Replace harmful habits with healing ones. Drink water throughout the day. Walk at least 30 minutes daily. And add colourful fruits and vegetables to every meal. These simple habits have helped millions of Japanese elders reach 90 and even 100 with strong hearts. Now, before you start this drink, you must know who should avoid it. If you are taking prescription blood thinners like warfarin, if you have an upcoming surgery, or if you have severe gastritis or a very sensitive stomach, then speak to your doctor first. Garlic and lemon can thin the blood further and may cause irritation. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid strong herbal drinks unless advised by a doctor. Your safety always comes first. Even though this drink is natural, we must respect its power. Let's also clear up a few common myths seniors believe. Many people think artery blockage only happens in the heart, but the truth is, plaque can block any artery in the body. When arteries in legs are blocked, you feel cramps, swelling, coldness, and difficulty walking. That's called peripheral artery disease, and it is one of the most ignored conditions in seniors. When arteries in the brain are blocked, dementia risk increases dramatically because the brain is starving for blood. So clearing arteries is not only about preventing a heart attack, it's also about protecting your memory, independence, mobility, and quality of life. Every sip of this drink is a step toward restoring youthful blood flow from head to toe. And now, another important question. How long does it take to see results? Every body is different, but many seniors report feeling lighter, breathing easier, and having warmer hands and feet within 2 to 3 weeks. Some notice lower blood pressure and higher energy in as little as 10 days, but consistency matters. You can't drink it once in a while and expect a miracle. Just like plaque builds slowly, healing also happens slowly. Every morning, one small cup, giving your arteries a chance to repair. If you're watching this right now, it means you care about your heart and your future. You don't want to wake up one morning with chest pain and regret that you ignored the warning signs. You want to live strong, stay independent, walk with confidence, and take care of your family, even in your 70s, 80s, or 90s. And I promise you, your body still wants to heal. The heart never stops trying to protect you. All you need to do is help it. Before we end, just take a moment and think about someone you love, maybe a parent, a spouse, or a friend who could be silently suffering from blocked arteries without even knowing it. You know, they might just shrug off chest pressure as gas or ignore leg pain, thinking they're just getting old. But every day, blocked arteries claim lives suddenly. Don't wait for a tragedy. Share this knowledge. Help them start this drink. Help them protect their heart while there is still time. Now, if this video gave you hope or taught you something new, please like, subscribe, and share it with at least one person you care about. Your support allows us to bring more life-saving information to seniors around the world. And ask yourself this one final question. If Dr. Hinohara could keep his arteries healthy for 105 years, why can't you? Your heart deserves the same care and the same chance to thrive. Start this drink tomorrow morning and start your journey to stronger arteries, better blood flow, and a healthier, longer life. Every heartbeat matters, especially